Canada, Mr. Lucas Renshaw. Pride of Fort McLeod, Alberta on the mandolin, Mr. Ryland Moran. On the bass guitar from Los Angeles, California by way of Victoria, BC, Mr. Rick May. Canada on the guitar, Mr. Tyler Lee. Trailer sits upon the dashboard. We were 22 and half insane. Remember that? We never used to worry about the weather. It was nothing but a little summer rain. Coming down again. got fancy, put a bullet in our bag. Try to build a home, new house. Tears it down again, tears it down again, tears it down and down and down and down and down. I got just broken and sick. My two civilized to be locked in with this shit. Why should always gotta be the guns? Why you always gotta be the ones? Why you always gotta criticize what you don't understand? Baby, you know I got things, yes, we're all out here treading water, looking for a life raft out. There's something in the ocean that leads a lonely boy to die. Well, I've got so many questions, they all keep me up at night. I am a traveler on this broken highway home. There are people living in these streets, have nothing to give. There is suffering all around us, people struggling to live. Still I pray for love and kindness, for to ease a wayward soul. There is nothing more than love, love rules all. Searchlight, searchlight, guide me home tonight. I'm tired and I don't want to fight, and I got nothing to give. I've been looking for an answer, it's been taking me to task. I will always be a searcher in my life. They are fighting for equality, they are fighting for their their skin. Some don't have no education, some they lean on religion. Instead they tuck their children in at night and kiss upon their brow as they dream a new existence for themselves. Searchlight, searchlight, guide me home tonight. I'm tired and I don't want to fight, and I got nothing to give. You can try to heal a nation, but these wounds are running deep. It's like nothing that we've ever seen before. It will always lead to losing, like it always did before. Like it did in West Virginia, like it did in Birmingham. We are standing on the brink of some dark shore. Searchlight, searchlight, guide me home tonight. I'm tired and I don't want to fight, I got nothing to give. So goddamn overwhelming to watch this shop go down. I wish for nothing more than peace in my time. I wish for